Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your host Robert, and in today's video we will be estimating Rockstar Flipper's YouTube income. Currently he has 1,904 uploads, 112,000 subscribers, and 15,219,976. So now according to Social Blade, in the last 30 days he had 126,000 views. So to calculate daily views, you would do 126,000 divided by 30. So daily views is 4,200. Now, CPM is the amount that advertisers will pay the content creator for every 1,000 video views. So based on my estimate, I would give Rockstar Flipper a $10 CPM. So that means that for every 1,000 video views, his channel is able to generate $10. Now let's calculate daily income. So daily income is the daily views, which is 4,200, multiplied by a $10 CPM, which is 0.01, and we get $42. So monthly income is $42. Multiplied by 30, and we get $1,260. Now annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate, so the revenue is $1,260 multiplied by 12, and you get $15,120. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue, YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So in reality, you have to do $15,120 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $8,316 per year just from making YouTube videos, which is pretty awesome. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber you want me to do next.